Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to add accent marks in Spanish. Now, there are three different methods. Now the first one is I like to Google, for example, funciones del teclado para escribir, and then or Spanish accent marks or acentos en español, and then I simply copy and paste at the head of the document so I can copy and paste. So I've used that in the past and that works pretty good. Now, the other format that you can choose is you can simply insert special character. You can draw the special character and that's it. Now, that's very laborious as you can imagine. So I'm going to teach you a third way to add accent marks in Spanish. Now, you see this button here, add-ons. So when you press add-ons, you're going to see an option to get add-ons. Now, what you want to do is click there and you're going to type easy accents or easy accent docs. Either one of those would work. Okay, they're pretty much the same. Now you see how mine says installed. Well, because it's already installed, but if it's not installed, you just click the button to install. Once you do that, whenever you start writing a document, you just click add-ons, easy accent start, and on the right hand side of the screen, it's going to ask you to select language. You scroll all the way to the end and you choose Spanish. The moment you do that, it generates a pop-up. Okay, so let's say I'm writing the word español. I can ESPA and I click ñ all. And that's it. So I highly recommend this method. It makes things a lot easier. I understand that Google can recognize Spanish and autocorrect things, but if your Google is not 100% in Spanish, sometimes it misunderstands things. Sometimes it doesn't understand the difference between a command and the preterite. And so this is actually the best way to add accent marks. So choose one of these, whichever you prefer, but I like the idea of having the add-on over here. Now there is a paid version, which I don't think you really need that because the regular version is plenty. The difference between the paid version and the other version is that, as you saw, I had to scroll down and choose Spanish, whereas the paid version, it goes automatically to Spanish. That's it.